Hello everyone. So in this video, I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine. So let's start here. So type here VS Code, download, click on the second URL here, open in a new tab, and this is the default means according to your system, it will be detected and download for Windows and either you can click here or you can go this way like Windows 64-bit for the stable version. Either you choose here or you choose here, both fine. So click on, uh, it will be started. So I'm canceling here because I have already downloaded. So click on double up, click on this software and click check and accept the license agreement. Click on the next, and this is the installation directory. So let it should be default. Click on the next, click on the next, and suppose you want to create one desktop icon, so you can check on here, click here and click on the next, and click on install. So it is started. So let's wait some moment and see the next instruction. Okay, so as soon as you will click finish here, your Visual Studio code will be open. Okay, so click on the finish. So this is a welcome. So your Visual Studio code will be look open, and you can according to your environment you can install uh, Python or somewhere other something. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.